I'm Mrs. Amodemo and this is Penny. Welcome to our math video. We're going to be working on addition strategies, specifically putting things together. Let's get started. All right, my friends, let me read the essential question by myself and you read it with me the next time. How do you model putting together? Read it with me this time. How do you model putting together? What should we do? Penny, what should we do? Penny says we need to write an I can statement. She's right. All right, my friends, we've talked about it already. That word I, what's the rule? Yes, it's got to be capitalized. I, and then one of my favorite little words, can. K, and, I like it because it's spelled the way it sounds. What do you hear? K, and. Yes, C-A-N. And I'm going to borrow up here, model. M-O-D-E-L. Pudding, right here, and it's spelled the way it sounds. I love those words. P-U-T-T-I-N-G, together, right here, my friends. T-O-G-E-T-H-E-R. And what goes at the end of a statement, my friends? Yes, we need a period. All right, my friends, let me read the I can statement the first time by myself, and then you read it with me the second time. Here we go. I can model putting together. Read it with me. I can model putting together. Now, my friends, you ought to be asking yourself a question. Yeah, that's the question. What does that mean? Well, my friends, when we model putting together, it's just another way of saying we're going to be adding. It's like when we say that we join things together. We're adding. This phrase, putting together, is another one of those things that lets us know we're going to be adding. You think we can handle it? Yes, I agree with you. Totally can handle it. Let me erase this and we'll get started. All right, my friends, let me read the first problem to you and then you read it with me the second time. There are 2 small books and 1 big book. How many books are there? Read it with me this time. There are 2 small books and 1 big book. How many books are there? So, my friends, what do you think we should do? Penny, what do you think we should do? Penny says we have to figure out what we're starting with. I agree with her, so let's go down. There are 2 small books. So my friends, we're going to start with 2 books. And, ooh, I see another number. And 1 big book. That second number, my friends, we call that our change. How many books are there? How many books are there? So my friends, we don't know our end, and I'm going to use a question mark to hold the space. What do we call the thing we don't know in a word problem? Penny, what do we call the thing we don't know? Penny says the thing we don't know is called the variable. She's right. She's very smart. So it's our job, my friends, to figure out that variable. All right, my friends, so let's take what we know and let's write a number sentence. So we know we start with 2, and then 1 more, and remember, my friends, we're practicing putting it together. So we had 2, and we've got 1 more, and we're going to put them together. So we had 2, we've got 1 more, and we're going to put them together. So is that adding or subtracting? Show me with your arms. Yes, we're going to be adding. So 2 plus 1 is going to equal our variable, our thing we don't know. Let's model it with some color. How about we use pink for the 2? So these are my 2 counters, 2 pink counters for the 2. And let's use green for the 1. So this is what it looks like, my friends. Now, in adding, we've talked about this, you already know it. If we circle all of them together in a great big circle, that's the math symbol for we're adding when we make a quick pick. And now we just have to count it up. You ready? Help me count. 1, 2, 3. Let's count it again. 1, 2, 3. So my friends, what is the sum of 2 plus 1? What's the sum? Yes, it's 3. Let's try another one. All right, my friends, here's our next problem. Let me read it by myself the first time and then you read it with me the second time. There are 6 red cubes and 3 blue cubes. How many cubes are there? Read it with me this time. There are 6 red cubes and 3 blue cubes. How many cubes are there? All right, my friends. What should we do first? Yeah, we got to figure out what we're starting with and what our change is and what the end is. Those are the 3 things we always look for in a word problem. So let's do it. There are, I found a number. There are 6 red cubes. So I am starting, my friends, with 6. And here's another number, and 3 blue cubes. So that's my change. I've got 3 blue cubes. And then, my friends, how many cubes are there? How many cubes are there is math language that lets me know I'm going to take those 6 red cubes and the 3 yellow cubes, and we got to put them together. So we've got 6 red cubes and 3 blue cubes, and we got to put them together. So we are going to be adding, my friends. We are going to be adding to find our end. And my friends, what do we call the thing we don't know? What do we call that? You're so smart. Yes, that's the variable. Penny, what should we do now? Penny says we need to write a number sentence, and she's right. So we start with 6, and then we have 3 more, which means we're going to add 3, and that is going to give us our sum. Let's figure it out. And since it says we've got 6 red cubes, I don't have red. I'm going to use pink. So 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 3 blue cubes. 1, 2, 3. That's not really a nice looking cube. All right, my friends. Let me circle the whole thing, because in math, that's how we model adding when we're doing an addition sentence. All right, my friends, can you help me count? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Help me count it again, my friends. We always count twice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, my friends, so what is the sum of 6 plus 3? What does it equal? Yes, it equals 9. All right, my friends, let's check in real quick. How are we feeling about this? Give me a thumbs up. Mrs. Amodemo, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. This I can do. Thumbs to the side. It's still not quite easy peasy, lemon squeezy, Miss Amodemo, but I'm working it out. It's making a little more sense. Give me a thumbs down if you're like, I'm still feeling easy peasy, lemon squeezy, but I'm not quite getting it yet, Mrs. Amodemo. Let me know how you're feeling. All right, my friends, thank you for letting me know how you're doing. I'm going to switch to paper, and we're going to try 2 more problems. One, I'm going to use my counters. I got my bag of pennies that we've used before. And the other thing I can use as a counter are called dominoes. If you have these, they can be really useful to help you with the math problem. And if you don't have them, we can just draw a quick pick, so don't worry about it. Let me switch to paper, and we'll give it a try. All right, my friends, we've switched to paper. Let me read the problem by myself the first time, and you read it with me the second time. There are 4 red pencils and 2 green pencils. How many pencils are there? Read it with me this time. There are 4 red pencils and 2 green pencils. How many pencils are there? So my friends, we're going to break it down the same way we did before. What do we start with? What do we start with? Penny, what do we start with? Penny says we are starting with 4 red pencils. So my friends, my start is going to be 4. I've got 4 red pencils. And, 2 green pencils. So that's my change. I've got 2 green pencils. How many pencils are there? How many pencils are there? So that's my end, my friends, and that's my variable, my thing I don't know. So see this space over here? This is for my number sentence. So we know we've got 4 and 2 more, which means we're adding. So 4 plus 2 is going to equal our sum. So my friends, first way we can solve this is draw a quick pick. Let's do that first. So up here, I need 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2 more. And I can circle them to put them together. And then my friends, let's count. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's count it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So our sum of 4 plus 2 equals 6. All right, my friends, we can also use pennies as counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, and here's 2 more. And then I can count it up, my friends, and push them together, and I can count them up. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So my 4 plus 2 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And my friends, now these are the new thing. These are called dominoes. And what I did was I went and found the one that matched my problem. I'm going to put it over here so it's out of my way. See how it has 4 dots on one side? That's my first add-in, the 4. And 2 dots on the other? That's for my second add-in. And then I can count them up. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these are 3 different ways, my friends, to do the addition sentence. I can draw a quick pick. I can use pennies so I can model it. Or I can use the domino as a visual, as a different way of seeing it. No matter what I pick, though, I have to write my answer over here. They have 6 pencils. All right, my friends, let's do the next one. Let me read it the first time. There are 5 blue scissors and 3 yellow scissors. How many scissors are there? Read it with me this time. There are 5 blue scissors and 3 yellow scissors. How many scissors are there? All right, my friends, let's break this problem down. There are 5 blue scissors. So we are starting with 5. And 3 yellow scissors. So our change, my friends, is 3. And then it ends with, how many scissors are there? How many scissors are there? So my end, my friends, is the thing I don't know. We're going to be putting it together. Now the space over here is for my number sentence. Do you know what the number sentence is? Penny, do you know what the number sentence is? Penny says the number sentence is 5 plus 3 equals our variable, is going to equal our sum. All right, my friends, we know 3 ways to solve it. We could do a quick pick, we could use pennies as counters, or we could see if I have a domino that matches it. Let's do all 3. So my friends, let's start with the quick pick. I've got 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 3. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to circle it and put them all together because that's how we model it. And I'm going to count them up. Can you help me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's count it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So my friends, our sum of 5 plus 3 equals, yes, you're so smart, it equals 8. Let's model it. So I need 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's my 5 pennies. And here's my 3. 1, 2, 3. All right, my friends. So right now, there's my model. I'm going to push them together so I can count them up. Can you help me count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Help me count it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we got the same sum, my friends. Here's 5 plus 3 still equals 8. Now, here is a domino that matches the number problem, my friends. I'm going to put it underneath. Here's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here's 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's count it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's count it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What, Penny? All right, my friends. Penny says it is time to go outside because she wants to go for a walk. I hope you're feeling good. Remember, you know we can draw a quick pick. We can use a domino. That's our something new. Or, my friends, we can use whatever we've got as counters. I like pennies because I've got a bunch of these in the house. I'm coming. Penny's in a hurry. I'll be right back. All right, my friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned a lot. Remember, you know a couple of different strategies for adding right now. Keep putting them in your brain. The more strategies you know, the better you can do. We'll see you next time. Bye.